Want to upgrade your business without spending thousands on a full renovation? Decorative window films are one of the easiest ways to completely transform a commercial space while adding privacy, style, and functionality. It can turn plain glass into frosted, textured, patterned, or even branded glass without actually replacing your windows. That means you can add privacy to conference rooms, offices, clinics, storefronts, and more, while still letting natural light flow through the space. A lot of businesses also use it for branding, adding custom logos, designs, or graphics directly onto the glass partitions and entryways for a clean, modern look. Another huge advantage? It's much more affordable than etched or frosted glass. Installs quickly with minimum downtime and can easily be updated later if your brand changes. So if your office, storefront, or commercial space feels outdated, decorative window film is a simple upgrade that can make a massive visual impact. If you're ready to refresh your space with a custom decorative film solution, contact Sun Control of Minnesota and bring your vision to life.